Looking to open oysters like a pro? The best oyster knife is the ultimate tool for safely and effortlessly shucking fresh shells. With a sturdy blade and comfortable grip, it makes seafood preparation easier, faster, and more enjoyable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Hoshanho Oyster Knife. The Hoshanho Oyster Knife is a premium kitchen tool designed for serious chefs and seafood lovers who appreciate both quality and performance. Crafted from Japanese high-carbon powder steel with an impressive hardness of 62 HRC, this knife offers outstanding durability, corrosion resistance, and superior edge retention. The unique wave pattern laser-engraved blade adds an elegant touch, setting it apart from ordinary designs. Measuring 7 inches, the ultra-sharp blade is hand-ground to a precise 15 degrees edge on both sides, allowing it to slice through fish, meat, and bones with remarkable ease. Its sharp tapered tip glides smoothly along bones and under skins, ensuring minimal waste and maximum precision. The ergonomic Pack-A-Wood handle enhances this knife's functionality, delivering a non-expanding, non-cracking, and comfortable grip. This feature not only improves control, but also reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Whether filleting fish, deboning meat, trimming, or skinning, the lightweight and well-balanced design ensures smooth maneuverability. Unlike typical oyster knives, the Hoshanho excels as a versatile deboning and filleting tool, making it a must-have for professional chefs as well as home cooks looking to elevate their skills. Its flexible yet sturdy construction makes it an indispensable kitchen companion for a wide range of cutting needs. For those seeking a knife that combines precision, sharpness, and durability, the Hoshanho Oyster Knife is an excellent choice. It is more than just a seafood tool. It's a multi-purpose blade that can adapt to various culinary tasks, bringing both efficiency and finesse to the kitchen. With its professional-grade quality and stylish finish, this knife is sure to impress anyone passionate about cooking. Number 2. Dalstrong 3.5-inch Shogun Series Oyster Knife. The Dalstrong Shogun Series 3.5-inch oyster knife stands as a symbol of strength, precision, and reliability. Built with full-tang construction, this knife is rock-solid, providing the leverage and power needed to pry open even the toughest oysters with confidence and safety. The reinforced thick blade is forged from a single piece of high-carbon Japanese AUS 10V super steel, ensuring exceptional strength, resilience, and resistance to corrosion. Its wide structure makes shucking easier, while the sharp-pointed tip is ideal for sliding between tightly sealed shells without damaging the delicate oyster meat inside. Comfort is equally prioritized thanks to the ultra-premium G10 military-grade handle. This ergonomic handle is carefully hand-polished and engineered to offer superior control, agility, and comfort during extended use. The design includes a smooth blade spine, allowing for secure handling and reducing hand strain. It's clear that every detail has been thoughtfully crafted to enhance both efficiency and safety, making this knife suitable for both professionals and enthusiasts. Another highlight of the Dalstrong Shogun Series Oyster Knife is the company's strong commitment to customer satisfaction. Number 3. Melocean Oyster Knife. The Melocean Oyster Knife is an excellent combination of durability, functionality, and thoughtful design, making it a practical tool for any seafood lover. Its full-tang blade is forged from high-quality 3CR13 stainless steel, providing the strength and sturdiness required to open any type of shellfish without bending or breaking. This resilience ensures consistent performance, even when dealing with the most stubborn shells. At 6.3 inches, the blade length strikes the right balance between leverage and maneuverability, giving users the confidence to shuck oysters quickly and safely. Comfort is a major strength of this knife, thanks to its ergonomic wooden handle. Carved from genuine wood and manually polished, the handle offers a non-slip, secure grip that feels natural in the hand. This design minimizes fatigue, allowing for extended shucking sessions without discomfort. Melocean takes safety a step further by including a pair of cut-resistant, breathable gloves in the package. These gloves not only provide extra protection, but also enhance grip, making the shucking process safer and easier for beginners and experienced users alike. What sets the Melocean Oyster Knife apart is its presentation and added value. The knife and gloves come packaged in a deluxe box, along with an oyster opener brochure and ebook. This thoughtful packaging makes it a fantastic gift idea for seafood enthusiasts. The lifetime warranty further assures buyers of the product's quality and longevity. Overall, the Melocean oyster knife is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a complete oyster shucking kit designed for convenience, safety, and enjoyment, offering everything you need to master the art of oyster preparation. Number 4. Dalstrong Gladiator Series Oyster Knife. The Dalstrong Gladiator Series 3-inch folding oyster knife is a premium seafood tool designed with both durability and performance in mind. Built with full tang construction, this knife provides unmatched stability and strength, allowing users to pry open oysters and other shellfish with confidence and precision. Forged from high-carbon German X50 CRMOV-15 steel, the wide, thick blade ensures safety and reliability while preventing damage to delicate oyster flesh. Its toughness allows it to handle not just oysters, but also tasks involving crab and lobster shells, making it a versatile seafood companion. The knife's 16 to 18 degrees double bevel edge is razor sharp, enabling smooth and precise slicing, while the pointed tip easily slips between tight oyster shells. A long handle provides additional leverage, ensuring that opening shellfish feels effortless. The ergonomic G10 Garolite handle, triple riveted for maximum durability, offers a secure, non-slip grip. It is resistant to impact, moisture, and extreme temperatures, ensuring it will last for years. The added handguard provides safety during use, reducing the risk of slips or accidents. An impressive feature is the protective Dalstrong Perfect Fit sheath, which safeguards a blade from scratches and wear. Available in durable thermoplastic or genuine leather, this sheath adds convenience while extending the knife's lifespan. The Gladiator Series oyster knife also comes with the brand's lifetime warranty and money-back guarantee, a testament to Dalstrong's confidence in their craftsmanship. Number 5. Middleton Made Knives Oyster Knife. The Middleton Made Knives Oyster Knife is a superbly crafted tool built to deliver efficiency, comfort, and reliability for oyster lovers. Designed specifically for opening even the toughest oysters, this knife takes the frustration out of shucking and transforms it into a smooth, effortless process. Its robust blade provides the leverage required to handle stubborn shells while maintaining control to protect the tender oyster meat inside. Built with precision, this knife offers long-lasting durability that ensures years of consistent performance. One of the standout features is its thoughtful design that combines functionality with versatility. Not only does it serve as a dependable oyster opener, but it also includes a built-in bottle opener, making it perfect for parties and gatherings where seafood and beverages go hand in hand. This dual-purpose design makes it a fun, yet practical addition to any seafood lover's toolkit. Comfort is another area where the Middleton Made Knives oyster knife excels. The ergonomically designed handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, minimizing hand fatigue even during long shucking sessions. This makes it an excellent choice for those who prepare oysters regularly. With its efficiency-focused design, the knife allows you to shuck dozens of oysters quickly and easily, ensuring that you spend less time struggling and more time enjoying your seafood. Whether you're a professional chef or simply enjoy oysters at home, this knife delivers excellent performance and convenience. Its rugged build, party-friendly features, and ergonomic comfort make it a must-have for anyone who appreciates seafood. Overall, the Middleton Made Knives oyster knife is not just a kitchen tool, but a reliable companion for seafood lovers who value both practicality and ease of use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.